All right, so this is the precipitation lab. You'll have a copy of this that I placed in Google Classroom, and we're going to go ahead and do it relatively quick for you. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this set and this set, and we're going to mix these together and see if we can get what we call a precipitate to form. Precipitate is when you have two solutions, and they're more attracted to each other than they are to water, so they're what we call insoluble. Okay, so we have two different sets, and I have this diagram here, which you don't, because I made this myself, right? Okay, and that's set one. And this is a table, so I can go ahead and do stuff on it. Now, this is my well plate. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take NaNO3, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and put it in 5 of the wells. So I'm going to go 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you see I get 6 there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what I want to look for is one of the signs that a chemical reaction is taking place. Now, we're not going to get any cool that goes ahead and blows up, so we're not going to get any kind of heat or light given off during the course of these reactions. And we're also not going to get any smoke or bubbles, so we're not going to see that either. We might see a color change, right? So sodium nitrate is clear. You can kind of see from the bottle it's clear, okay? There's no color to it at all, colorless. And we're going to look to see if it goes ahead and either changes color or makes a solid. I put in a blue one because none of these are going to turn blue. And that was sodium nitrate. So let's see, this should be set 1. All right, let's try to have everything I'm supposed to have. I feel like I had the wrong one. That's okay. All right, ready? So now we're going to go ahead and put BaNO3 2 in. There, this BaNO3 2. And we're going to put like 5 drops in here. Nothing. Okay, and then we'll do the BaCl2. KCl, NaNO3. There you go. BaCl2. And we'll put that in the next one. Nothing. And we will keep going. Now this one has kind of a funky color already to it. It's kind of yellowish, so we're not going to worry about that one as much. I must not have cleaned the well plate that well. Na2CrO4. Na2CrO4. And this is yellow to start with, so that's not going to do anything for us if we don't see any kind of change. Kind of cloudy, but I think maybe the Na2CrO4 it actually has lit on, so I would say no still. And then we're going to do the KCl. And here's our KCl. Ooh, that's not much in there. It seemed like it was more. Nothing. Okay. And then we'll do the KCrO4. K2CrO4. Where are you? Huh. Thought I had 6. All right, I guess we're going to skip this one, come back to it, because I don't seem to have it. Weird. All right. Okay, so I guess, no, here it is. Here's the K2CrO4, sorry. Okay, and again, I kind of like the sodium chromate, didn't do much. Okay, so that's those ones. Now we'll do the next one. We'll go ahead and do KCrO4, or K2CrO4. So we'll do it in these 4. Oops, sorry. K2CrO4, right? Oh, sorry, that's the right one. K2CrO4. We'll put it in all 4. Okay, and actually in the top one, we're just going to go negative, 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 negative. Nothing happened. again. Okay, we'll live with it. And we'll change it if we need to at the end. All right, so that's those. So we'll put them in. First one's first, BANO32. Oh, what's that all about? That's got to be a positive. All right. Next one, BACL2. BACL2. That's definitely a positive. Oh, there's another one. That's two good ones in a row. Positive. Na2CrO4. Nothing. KCl. Nothing. All right, so two positives so far. Let's pull this out. Sorry. Drop it. Okay. So now we have these ones both as negatives. We'll do the next one. KCl and three of them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So those are all KCl, and now we're going to put the BANO32 in the first one. Nothing. BACL2 in the second. Nothing. Na2CrO4 in the last one. Nothing. All right, so those are all minuses. Nothing happened. Okay, and then we'll do the Na2CrO4. And only two of these, right? These two. Whoops. I'm going to put them up on there so you can see them. Okay. Each of those. Now we're going to add BANO32 for the first one. There's BANO32. Oh, there we go. We got a positive. Oh, there we go. We got a positive. So those are both positives. And then we'll do the BACL2. Where are you? BACL2. One here, just one. And the BANO32. BANO32. Nothing. Okay? So that's the first set. You got two positives. Okay? The rest were negatives. Okay? All right, so this is going to be set 2 for the precipitation reaction lab. And we're going to take a wall plate and put it there. We're going to take the KOH. Where are you, KOH? There you are, KOH. And we're going to put in 4 wells, 5 wells. Put in those 4 wells. And then we're going to add in each one, the NaNO3. Nothing. The NaOH. Nothing. CONO32. Pink already, right? Oh, that's one. That's a good one, right? COCl2. That's another good one. Didn't have to put much in there for it to work, right? So these are minus, 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 oh, sorry, plus, plus, and then the FeOH. All right. Kind of. It should be, right? We're gonna put plus, right? We're gonna lie about it. That should be plus. I don't know why it didn't work, but to figure it out. And now we'll do the FeCl3, 4 of them. Do the bottom, sorry. I'll do our bottom ones. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. About 5 drops will work, but I just want to fill the bottom. And now we'll do the NaNO3. NaNO3. Nothing. Where are you? NaOH. NaOH. Oh, that shouldn't be. Oh, yeah, that's a positive, right? Okay. And the CONO3 too. Nothing. And the COCl2. Nothing. Okay. So then we'll do the next step. Let me get rid of this thing. We shall keep going. COCl2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the NaNO3. The NaNO3. Nothing. The NaOH. Ooh, I got something there, right? It's a positive. And the CONO3 too. Nothing. All right, here's the next one. Okay, so this is the CONO3 too. Make sure we're doing it right. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do the NaOH first. Sorry, the NaNO3. Nothing. The NaOH. Huh. Let's try that. Maybe there's something wrong with that one. Let's try the other one. That should be a positive. It is. It's kind of hazy a little bit there. You can't see it good on the film, but it should be a positive too. That's kind of weird that it's not. All right. Must be something with the cobalt. And then the NaOH in our last well, which is right here. NaOH and the NaNO3. That should be a nothing. Okay? So there are positives. And that's set 2 for the precipitation.